I want to show you how to add the timeline widget to Adobe Captivate 12. And keep in mind that Captivate 12 is also referred to as Adobe Captivate 2023. I've got a blank project, blank slide. On the left side of the screen, there is an icon for adding a new widget. I'll click it. And from the available widgets, I'll choose the timeline widget. That will instantly add some placeholder objects to my slide. On the Properties panel, over on the right side of the screen, I can choose from a couple of design options. I'll just click through them so you can see. I'll go back to this one. From the Components area, I can decide if I want to keep the title or an event or an image. For instance, maybe I don't want the captions, so I turn that off. Turn the captions back on, back off again. Maybe I don't want the subtitles. Maybe I just want the year. So I'm going to change the text here in my widget heading, and I'll say pets through a lifetime. And I'll change the year. First one here from 2000 to 1992. The next one will make 2002. This one 2008. And this one 2023. Next, I'm going to change the image. So in the middle of the placeholder image, if you hover above it with your mouse, you'll see a little icon there. It's kind of hard to see, but that's going to let you replace the placeholder image. So I'll click, and it brings up a box asking if I want to replace the image with assets from the asset store that come with Captivate or files on my computer. I'll go to Assets. Now there are under 1,000 images now. I expect this to change over time as Adobe continues to improve Adobe Captivate in its current version. Right now, you see I've only got 876 images, so it certainly isn't an exhaustive list, but again, it's going to get better. So I'll click here and I'll type puppy. Let's see what we got. Nothing for puppy. How about dog? And I'll just select this dog and I'll click replace image and done. Let's do the same thing for the next image. I'll go to assets again and I'm going to type in fish. And I'm going to go ahead and choose this fish. Again, these are just placeholder images. It truly doesn't matter. And there's my image there. And I'm going to preview the project just to see what I end up with. And as I go through life, here are the pets that I have known and loved.